Igbo mmanụ ekelekwe m unu kelekwe unu ike. Anyị abịala ọzọ tata na egwuregwu anyị nke ịma nke mmụọ ama nke anyị na-akpọ anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Ọkwa nwanne unu nwoke Uchenna Ijegalu nọ n'ọgbọ. Batakwana egwu ka si abata n'egwu. Ịnekwa anya n'akụkụ m ịyafụ nwanne m nwoke nke mụ na ya si eme ihe a nke a na-akpọ Ambrose Nwanne aka Onowu. Onowu ka ị mee?
Ana m ọfụma udo dị kpatara taji ọfụma.
Okay. Tata anyị ga-eme ihe a n'Igbo mekwe ya na Bekee. What I am saying is that we are going to do today's program in English and Igbo. Kosi na di watch ya ifuna Valentine is on.
Yes.
Valentine is on. Love is on the air. Iyo pụta bụ na ifuna ya nọ n'ikuku na-efegharị ọ bụrụ eziokwu. Mana tupu anyị agaba n'ihu, ịma na oge a, this time is the period where people take their loved ones out in different places. A sort of relaxation, a place you will enjoy your time, spend your good money. Forget the fact that there is no money, but money to eat, you have it. Oh, yes. True or false? Right. But no, I want to tell you that if you are not preparing to go to where I want to go to, or where your friends want to go to, let me tell you that I've prepared myself. I am gallant, waiting for this evening to stone ballers. Do you know ballers?
Yes.
Ballers.
Yes.
Please, can you remind me if you know there?
Well, viewers, this is live on Procyon TV and radio. Of course, we are rolling it out live and direct, and we got no problem. But that's not something at all. And love is in the air. But I remember something, that people who got favored about this situation are the fake life livers. People who talk more than what they do. You get what I'm saying? Okay. Now, what I'm talking about here is, when you tell them you need cash, they will tell you they've got no cash. When you tell them to transfer, they will tell you there is no network. And of course, when you say, take me out, they will tell you there is no fuel in the car. Right? Now, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Today, we are going live. Of course, on Procyon TV and radio. Yeah. And in Bola, where we are going to roll it. We've got no problem. We are going to bring our loved ones. And it's not just the loved ones. We are doing it live, and of course, to touch all four people around us and to make them feel that love actually exists. Okay. In Bola, we are going to be live in Bola.
All right. We'll be live in Bolas. I have two Bolas. You want to know where Bolas is? Bolas is just here. Gababa. I think the second building.
By Bama Jerry.
Yes, Gababa. You storm there. Bring your loved ones. Enjoy with them. Be pro around you. Carry them along. Ensure that this today is a day that they will smile because they have seen you. They will smile because they have seen you with your goodness. They will smile because you have done something good to them. Today is your last day. Don't forget to carry them. But before we go on, let us go on a slide break.
Bring Boston this one.
A good woman no coming from the Lord. They know they see her for market. A good woman is a blessing from above. Her type will not there for market. I tell you more, Yaku. When you batra kolisa seva, you know more those Yaku. When you batra kodos Yakumo. Always loving everybody, no discrimination. What a dimma, no competition. Come and see blessings of the Lord. Everyone Yamaka, Moses in a a good woman no coming from the Lord.
Hello, welcome back. I am Ijegalu. We do English and Igbo because of the situation we find ourselves. I don't know. I have is one guy. Kowa. Yota henye gwiha. Is one kowa. Because here they folk here beginning.
Valentine Day.
Yes.
Live, that right.
Every funaya and funaya kakam. Every day funaya tia kaoji. But what I'm trying to say is that today is Valentine. Do not forget to put a smile in the face of someone who have not smiled because of seeing you. Ensure that your presence makes someone to smile. But before then, Onowu, you know I told you I was going to call her before we went on short break. But somebody just called on phone when we were on short break. He told me that, man, not the only ballers in the have to know. Onowu.
Yeah, viewers, right now we are of course going to be live at Jera Classic.
Oh no!
Classic.
Oh no!
Number 1 Yerere Road, off Narai High Court.
Can you imagine?
It is going to happen live there. But wait, do not drink and get drunk. As we are doing that, make sure I am doing carries enough.
Let's viewers. You just heard him. Jera Classic is another place with a storm in style. Oh man, today we go paint Kaduna black, red, and white. All the colors of Valentine will take am smash am. Because I don ready to carry the pot. That man wey dey hungry. That man wey dey. In fact, we go roll am. As we come up for Bola, see us for Jera Classic. As they come up for Jera Classic with the storm baller. That's what we dey do am. You understand me?
Well, there is another big place as well. Okay. We have where we do at what time, okay? Midnight. You know what I'm talking about, okay? I love Post Office Road. Okay, remind me the name, you know.
Post Office Road. Okay. Can I? Oh no, it's escaping my memory. Okay, let me reset. I think it's Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Okay.
This is bringing United States of America live.
Yes.
Yes. So in Las Vegas, we roll things. In Las Vegas, we drink. We don't get drunk. In Las Vegas, we put smiles on people's faces. And of course, we make this Valentine so very walkable for everyone. That is how we roll it. It is going to happen today live at Las Vegas.
All right, viewers. On a more serious note, ensure that you do what is needed for you to be done. Take that woman out. That woman you married for years that you are not taking out for once. You say she's old-fashioned. Okay, make a new fashion today. Carry her enter ballers. Ball her with ballers. Carry that same woman. If you ballers too far for you, carry her enter Las Vegas. Make the woman smile. Take that your guy, that your babe, when you think say things no dey work fine. Forget the Naira thing. Please flow to Las Vegas, ballers, and where? Jera Classic. This place is happening. Oh boy, drinks cheap there. Drinks is what cheap there. Today na Valentine, don't forget to do am. You're not going to waste your time, man. You're going to waste your time, man. You're not going to waste your time, man.
You want to enter America, get Nigeria. No problem. We are rolling it.
All right. If you want to see us again, if you want to hear from us again, you can only hear from us via Procyon television and radio. Or if you want to see us or get us on our phone, you get us on 08036439671, or you get us on 08094646206. You can also get us on www.procyonnews.com. Now there it dey happen. If you never enter Procyon, now be say you come late. I remain Uche Ijegalu. I'm with my brother here,
Ambrose, Nwanne, MC Pro. You can call me Onowu. As you step out today, make sure you have the touch of red. That is love. You got it here?
Yeah, nah.
Of course,
and they represent.
Everything happens live. And of course, we roll with love. Without love, life is useless.
Thank you.